welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a unboxing from a awesome little place called Kaduka Beauty, and they are on Instagram. So if you would like to see my first impressions, keep watching. So I was going to open this and look at the stuff before, but once I got it open it was really nice. So once I got it open to about right here, I knew that I had to open it with you all. First impressions, because it was these people on Instagram. They are an indie brand, and they're getting to be well known, so I wanted to let you know about them super fast. I ordered the next day. I had shipping confirmation and it was on its way. I got it within a few days, and I never get anything within a few days unless I pay priority shipping. So anyway, it comes with the card. Yes, I mean, that is really nice. And it is Kaduka Beauty, and the back of the card is really cute. Looks like little sprinkles on it. And then this card, and they wrote to me on the back, personally wrote to me.
Belinda, thank you so much for your purchase, and your support truly means the world to us. Heart, we can't wait to see what looks you'll create with these. Please let us know what you think. Love, Kaduka Beauty.
So I wanted to open it with you all. Of course, I get a shipping invoice, and then it looks like this. And I am all about supporting small businesses, and this stuff was really priced, and yeah, so I just wanted to show you what I got. Didn't get a whole lot, but there were some things that I had been looking for, and I found them there. So it's wrapped in this nice Kaduka Beauty paper. And whoop. Okay, that I did not plan to leave it out. So I have been wondering where to get these little masks. Well, they're not masks, those jewel beads for decorative looks. So they had this one. I got a blue one. I don't wear a lot of them, but I got these for Halloween or for certain eye looks. I can take one off. I've been wanting to do that for a while. And then I got this one, and they are reflective, so they look different colors at certain visible. And these will go for a long time, because look how many beads and gems are in there. And I bought 4 different colors. I don't have any green, so I got the green and purple colors. I am so excited to do something with these. And then I got the above the eyes and under. I'm so excited, so excited. So these are around $5, I believe. And then, I got a free gift. Oh, I got 2 free gifts. Yeah, free. Yes. Okay. And I also ordered their little Tutti Frutti lip scrubs. These were really cheap, $2. I think they were $2 a piece. I think they're $2 a piece, if not $2.50, no more than that. And I got coconut and I believe cherry. So let's open up one of these. I might give one away in my giveaway. I am having a giveaway on my Instagram when I get to 500, and on my Twitter when I get to 500. So if you are not following me and you would like to follow me and connect with me, you you can find me on Instagram, and I will link those below. So they look like this. I'm going to open the coconut one because I know for sure that I will keep this one. Smells so good. I would put some on, but I will put a little bit on my fingers and see what kind of, and it looks like it's actual sugar. So yeah, that's awesome. Oh, and I have looked for these everywhere and can't find them. So I got 2 of them, and it's called Kaduka. It's a little hair clip to go in like this. I see them all over the internet. I don't remember the price on these, but they were very cheap. They have all kinds of things. I will link them below. Like I said, they're on Instagram. Go go check them out. And if you like what they have, go follow them. And if you order anything, make sure you tell them that I sent you. If you like these type of videos, make sure you leave that in the comments. That way I know that you like the unboxing, first impressions of new, smaller brands. And I will try to do more of these videos. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. Till next time, stay blessed. Hey guys, I'm so sorry. I forgot to open the free gifts in front of you, so I'm going to do that, and I will add this at the end of the video. So this is a free gift. It says, here's a free sample of our vegan lip gloss with ingredients such as organic, unrefined coconut oil and shea oil. So this is a free gift. It says, here's a free sample of our vegan lip gloss with ingredients such as organic, unrefined coconut oil and shea butter. Not only do they look great, but they help nourish. Oh, how cute. This is adorable. Oh, no. So it's a little sample. Of course, I will keep these because it's a free gift and I want to try it out. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, that smells wonderful. It smells like a strawberry. Smells delicious. And oh, they sent me a setting spray. Free gift, Kaduka Beauty Rosé setting spray. This is what it looks like. This is awesome. They have glitters. They have, I thought I ordered glitters. Pigments. Maybe I thought, well, I'll order that next. Well, I can get this open. Sorry. I'm having a little bit of a difficult time. Okay, let's get this a whirl. Okay. So it's a little bitty bottle. Really fresh. It smells like a rose. So yes, rose water setting spray.